Hello, my name is Sharon Fitzpatrick and welcome to my channel, Lifestyle with Sharon. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a really nice, tasty Madeira cake. Very simple to do and you'll love it. Give it a try. If you like the video, do give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, do subscribe to the channel and do hit that little notification bell. And that will just give you a gentle reminder every week when the video comes out so you don't miss them. And I'd love to hear your comments. So do type a comment and I will get back to you. Right, I've just measured out 180 grams and I've just sliced bits of butter with a knife. And then I'm just going to get a pair of scissors and cut it into little squares. Just makes it a little bit easier for mixing. When you're creaming butter, it really does need to be room temperature, nice and soft, ideally. And then just to show you, I've put a pot with some hot water in it. I put the bowl on the top just to heat the bowl up. Just makes it easier to keep the butter nice and soft. So you put your butter into your bowl and you're going to weigh out your sugar. So we had 180 grams of butter and now we're going to do 180 grams of sugar. So you just add your sugar into the bowl. So you just want to cream the butter and sugar with a mixer. You can do it by hand with a wooden spoon if you want. Right, so if you want to do it by hand, just get the back of the wooden spoon and just kind of push down so it allows it to get nice and soft. And then when it gets really soft, you can just give it a mix around with the spoon. Okay, so if you're doing it by hand, you can see it does get nice and soft and then it just makes it a little bit easier. But just keep going down with the back of the spoon. Okay, so we'll just crack one egg open at a time. Right, and you just add your egg. We have 3 eggs in total, but we're just going to add one at a time. You can mix this by hand or by a whisker. So add your second egg. Okay, so you add your third egg in. So as I said, if you're doing this by hand, it's easy enough with a wooden spoon, especially at the stage where the eggs come into it. It does start getting a little bit easier. So that's the kind of consistency you've got at the moment. It looks a bit weird. That's okay. Okay, so then you're going to add 250 grams of flour, self-raising flour, or plain flour and a bit of baking powder, and you just sieve. So you just gently tap the sieve against your hand and hold your sieve up a little bit, help get the air in. So you just get the spatula and you're just going to fold the flour in a little bit. So you want a nice gentle mix at this stage. Some people do use the electric whisker or they use the stand mixer. It's up to you really. But at this stage, personally, I just prefer to mix it by hand with a spatula. Now, it does become quite a firm mixture at this stage. So I'm just going to add about 40 ml of milk at this stage, or about 3 tablespoons. Just softens the mixture up a little bit. It's a bit easier to work with now at this stage. So you can see it will come off. Right, we're going to put some greaseproof paper into a loaf tin. Just cut each corner. So as you can see, once you cut it, you just fold it over and put it in place. And then just cut off the excess at the top. This just makes it a little bit easier when you take the Madeira cake out. I'm just going to put a bit of kitchen roll underneath and that will stop it from slipping about all over the place. And you simply pour your mixture into your tin. Okay, so as you can see, this is how it looks when you come out the oven. Now because we've put the greaseproof paper, it's easy to come out. So we'll just cut into this. I usually cut with a bread knife. And you can see how lovely and soft this is on the inside and nice and crispy on the outside. So this is your lovely Madeira cake. So enjoy making yours. So here is the lovely Madeira cake. You can see how nice this looks. And I'm just going to try a bit now. This is lovely. So you can either have this plain or you can have it with some butter on the top. Let me know what you'd like on yours, whether you like it plain or with something on it. Enjoy. I had a little bit of mixture left over, so all I did was just put it in some, I just experimented and put it in some muffin tins. So here's what they look like. So I'll just take one out. And here it is. I just thought I'd have a bit of fun with it. So I'm going to enjoy this one as well. Nice. Well, thank you for watching Lifestyle with Sharon video today on how to make Madeira cake. Enjoy making yours.